This is our first closer look at the long-awaited GoPro Max 2. Quadro News has shared many images of it on X, along with the patents that clearly explain how GoPro addressed the overheating issues. In fact, the Max 2 will feature 2 heat sinks, along with separate cooling systems for both lenses. The foldable mount at the bottom is also a heat sink, since it's physically connected to the internals, helping to dissipate heat. But one of the most interesting things about it are the replaceable lenses, as GoPro has officially teased with their videos. You might have seen some other videos that declare video resolution capabilities, but nothing is confirmed yet. So don't fall for those fully AI clickbait videos. If you want to be updated on actual and reliable leaks, subscribing to the channel would be appreciated. Anyway, let's get back to the camera. From the images that have been posted, we still can't take a look at the screen on the back, and that's actually the only thing that is left to be exposed about its design. The rest of it can be clearly seen in the images you're looking at, including the buttons on the sides, the battery compartment, and even the camera mounting thread at the bottom, which allows to attach the invisible selfie stick as you can see here. That's about it for today's video. I don't want to stretch it longer than it needs to, so make sure you're subscribed and check the community posts for real-time updates before the videos come out, and drop a like if this video was helpful.